Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a lead generation form. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then, you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to create a lead generation form in Jotform, start by clicking on the Create Form button located either at the center or at the top left side of the dashboard. This will provide you with 4 options: Start from scratch, Use template, Import form, Create signable document. For this tutorial, select the Use Template option to utilize a pre-built template. Upon selecting the Use Template option, you'll be directed to the template library within Jotform. In the template library, the templates are organized into categories in the left menu. You can browse through these categories or use the search bar to find a specific template. In this case, enter the keyword lead generation to see all the related templates. Once the search results appear, you will find several different templates related to lead generation. Choose the template that suits your needs, such as the sales lead generation form. Click on the Use Template option under this specific template, and you will be taken to the editor. In the editor, you will have the ability to manage and customize the template according to your preferences. However, if you don't want to make any customizations, you can skip this step. Once you are satisfied with the template, click on the Publish section to share or embed your form. This will redirect you to the Publish section, where you have different options. You can copy the link and share it with others by clicking on the Copy Link option. Additionally, you can open the form in a new tab to view it from the user's perspective by selecting the Open in New Tab option. Furthermore, you have the option to invite people to view your form by entering their email addresses in the Invite by Email field. You can also share the form through various social media platforms, such as X, Facebook, and LinkedIn, expanding your reach. In addition, Jotform allows you to generate and download a QR code for your form. By sharing this QR code with others, those who scan it will be able to install your app or form from their mobile devices. To embed your form into any website, simply click the Embed section in the left menu of the Jotform editor. From there, click on the Copy Code button to copy the embedded code, which can then be added to your desired website. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.